Hi, my name is Emery Ford. We're here at Mracheck learning about
What's so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about Riata?
My name's Sonata.
And what do you do here? What's your position?
So I'm a machinist too. They've got me on the vertical mills right now. I've been helping out with programmers doing some of the coding for the coding programs and stuff. And right now I'm making a prototype for a nuclear reactor fluid control for a nuclear submarine.
Cool.
What's the coolest thing you make here?
Man, probably this guy. It's pretty cool. It's so. Did they show you this at all?
Yeah.
How it's like for surgery and stuff. Pretty awesome. So yeah, we make every piece that goes into it. So like, you would never guess just looking at a single piece that it would go into something like that. But it's pretty complicated. There's a lot going on with it.
It has been featured on Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah. I forgot about that.
How do you see computers and data fitting into manufacturing?
So, AI has been a pretty big thing. So we use AI a lot. You can add only so many machines and so many spindles, and you can grow your manufacturing a lot. But when we're actually trying to become more efficient and make more things, it's really looking at, well, how are we coordinating as a team properly? And that's really where the computers come in, because they kind of force us to do that.
I'm a CNC machinist too here. I kind of take care of our integrate systems, and I've worked here for, it's been about 5 years now. We've been doing some interesting aerospace jobs that are pretty interesting, satellite parts. That's kind of interesting to know.
Is that a spring in your water?
It is. It's like a whisk. You ever like whisk eggs before, make scrambled eggs?
Why is it important for middle school kids to start understanding deadlines as it pertains to your job?
That's a great question. In the case of like a space company, if they wanted to launch a rocket, there's really tight windows on when the rockets can get launched, just based on astrophysics. So if there's a launch window that's coming up in March, there may not be another opportunity until several months later. So if we can't ship to a space customer on time, they might miss a launch window, and it could completely kill their project. So these, they would take, when we've talked to a specific space customer before, they plan, all the right amount of rocket fuel and the rocket and all that, and the amount of weight that's supposed to be in there. They're planning on the customer's parts to be in there, and if they're not there, they take a dummy piece of material and bolt it in place, and then you basically just miss the bus, and there's not a way to get that opportunity back.